Change Management for Microsoft Copilot, a step-by-step enterprise playbook. Microsoft Copilot isn't just another enterprise rollout. It's a reimagination of how your organization works, with AI at the center. But without structured change management, even the most advanced tools risk becoming shelfware. At Exult Global, we help organizations unlock real Copilot ROI by aligning people, processes, and governance from day one. Step 1. Define a vision that resonates across roles. Copilot fails when teams don't understand the why. Confusion breeds resistance, especially from middle management. We offer solutions that include AI readiness workshops, executive-aligned vision statements, job-level OKR mapping. The result? From resistance to relevance. Step 2. Secure executive buy-in plus employee champions. Copilot success isn't just top-down or grassroots, it's both. Without mid-layer alignment, adoption stalls. But what blocks adoption? Mid-level resistance, misconceptions about AI replacing jobs. We solve this with executive ROI simulations, persona-based champion tracks, behavioral nudges that turn fear into fuel. Step 3, map workflows and AI use cases. Copilot works best when it's applied to the right processes at the right time. Here are a few common pitfalls. Disconnected processes, shadow IT and tool overload, no semantic model foundation. For that, we apply AI-driven process mining, use case blueprints aligned to Microsoft standards, Copilot optimized workflows. Step 4, enable with role-based training and governance. Generic training fails. Employees need contextual learning tied to their real work. We solve major gaps like blanket programs with poor retention, lack of feedback loops, etc. By delivering persona-based microlearning, monthly AI adoption pulse, integration with Intune and Microsoft Purview for governance and auditability. Step 5, measure, scale, and improve continuously. Momentum fades without metrics. You need dashboards, not assumptions. Exult's enterprise fabric includes live dashboards tracking adoption and productivity, metrics like task reduction, cycle time, query volume, scalable policy deployment through automation. Copilot success depends on more than code. It's about transforming how people work and trust AI. At Exult Global, we bridge Copilot's potential with the organizational readiness needed to make it real. Ready to lead an AI-augmented workforce? Let's connect your team's vision and systems for scalable Copilot adoption. Book a free consultation with our Microsoft expert today.